Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khushbu, and if you're new here then please don't forget to subscribe. So in my today's video I'm going to review this Pond's facial kit. This is their charcoal anti-pollution facial kit, and जब से कोरोना लॉकडाउन वगैरह का सीन हुआ है I started doing my own facials at home. So I have tried many facial kits like Shirelles, O3, VLCC, and this time I'm going to use the Pond's facial kit and I'm going to review it along while doing the steps. एक एक स्टेप के बाद I'll give you a mini review like how the product is working for me and how like this my skin feels after each step. So yeah, I'm gonna review this facial kit in that way. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get started. So talking about the packaging first, this comes in a pretty normal cardboard packaging, but the best part is inside the product comes in like a tube packaging. ऐसे ट्यूब्स में आता है. सो नॉर्मली फेशियल किट्स में क्या होता है ना, दे कम इन अ सैशे पैकेजिंग और फिर प्रोडक्ट उतना यूज़ भी नहीं होता है एंड वी एंड अप वेस्टिंग द प्रोडक्ट, क्योंकि वो एक बार सैशे खोलने के बाद प्रोडक्ट स्पिल हो जाता है. यू कैन नॉट स्टोर इट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. सो द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ द पैकेजिंग. इट कम्स इन अ ट्यूब, तो आप जितना प्रोडक्ट चाहिए आप यूज़ कर सकते हो एंड रेस्ट यू कैन सेव फॉर another time. So ये जो tubes है ना, they are of 12 grams each, which is a lot of product. You can at least do your facial for 3 times I believe. अगर आप full यहाँ तक neck वगैरह कर रहे हो तो I think 2 बार चलेगा. Otherwise you can still use this for 3 times I think. And the directions are very pretty clearly written on the back of each tube. I have washed my face with the first step, which is the face wash. Now I'll just move on to the second step, which is scrub. And I think जब ये आप wash कर ले रहे हो ना face, immediately move on to step number 2, scrub. मुझे intro वगैरह shoot करना था, so मेरा face अभी dry हो गया है. So I'll add a little bit of water in my scrub and then use it, because dry scrub ना micro tears दे सकता है आपकी skin पे, micro cuts दे सकता है. So use it with some water or milk or rose water maybe. I'll just take a little bit of scrub and then add a water. I don't want harsh scrubbing, so scrub it in the upward direction for about 3-4 minutes. I am done scrubbing my face. I'll use a wet soft towel to remove the scrub. You can use cotton or face wipe like tissues, wet wipes, anything. I'm going to use this soft towel to remove it. So this is how my skin is looking. Like the scrub was not drying. Usually scrubs के साथ ना थोड़ा सा ऐसे dryness feel होता है, but it's not drying. It's very soft and also it has brightened my face. Now moving on to step number 3, which is nourishing cream, and I'll take a little bit of this cream and pat it on my face. I think this much is enough. The product quantity is a lot I think. So I'm just gonna pat it till my skin completely absorbs this cream. Yeah. So I'm just gonna So once my skin has absorbed all the nourishing cream, I'll move on to step number 4, which is the massage cream, which is the best step in facials. और इसमें ही मैं मिस करती हूँ बाहर का फेशियल, बिकॉज there is someone to massage it. 15-20 minutes का मसाज मिलता है and you just have to relax. बट यहाँ पे घर पे करने में you have to do all the मेहनत. So ये स्टेप सिर्फ मैं बाहर का मिस करती हूँ, but which is unsafe now these days. So I'm just gonna take this much amount of the massaging cream and I'll start massaging my face. You can play some nice songs or some relaxing music, spa music ऐसे वगैरह, and then you can start massaging and relax. It smells very nice. If your massage cream is getting a little bit dry, ऐसे massage करने में hard हो रहा है, move करने में, then you can add a little bit of water for that smoother massage. Once you're done massaging your face, you can remove the massaging cream by taking a cotton wet wipe or a towel. I'll use this one and take the cream completely off for my step number 5, which is peel off mask. skin feels so soft after this massaging cream, and it also smells very nice. Yeah, I like it so far. Now moving on to step number 5, which is peel off mask, and I'm gonna apply a thin layer of this and let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Usually I don't like peel off mask. I think they are very painful. Let's see how this is gonna work. So I'm done applying the peel off mask. Now I'll sit for 15-20 minutes and listen to some music or watch something till it get dries. And I hope कि इसका removal भी उतना smooth हो जितना application था. So yeah, let's see. Now my mask is completely dry. It took about 20 minutes to get dry. Now I'll start peeling it off, which is, oh no, it's not that painful. I was thinking that is going to be very painful. It's not at all dry. Usually ना peel off mask में कैसे होता है ना, your skin tends to get a little dry, but I don't feel dry at all. Like किसी भी product किसी भी step में मुझे dry feel नहीं हुआ, which is like a very good thing about the kit. So now I'll finish it off with the last step, which is the finishing cream, and I'll take a little bit. Oops. This also smells like the massaging cream. जो massaging cream का smell था ना वैसे है. It's not very overpowering, but it's nice and soothing. Done with the facial. So this is how my skin is looking after all the steps. And what I really like about this facial kit, it was not drying. कोई भी mask drying नहीं था. The products are nice and my skin is glowing. You can see it looks very clean, squeaky clean. So yeah, I really like the facial kit, and the price point is very good. The product quantity is very good. So yeah, and it does a very good job, and it's very easy to use. So yeah, I really like the Pond's facial kit, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.